Hello friends, welcome to Azure Data Factory video series. This is 26th video and the topic is until activity in Azure Data Factory. Let's go for agenda for this video. I will explain you what is until activity and some properties and setting for this, and I will show you one example. So basically until activity is to execute a set of activities in a loop until the condition associated with this activity evaluates to true. We can also specify a timeout value for the until activity, so until that time it will execute. And this is also important, like it's provides the same functionality that a do until looping structure provides in the programming language like a C, C#, Java. We can execute the same way what do until looping is doing in that programming languages using this until activity in the Azure Data Factory. This is the link I have given for the documentation, that is microsoft.com. In the documentation you can find this activity and learn in the details. Now go to the Azure portal. This is Azure Data Factory. I have already opened, and this activities I was doing some practice, and I guess for last videos of my this channel. So I have used here execute pipeline and the wait. And okay, so let's start with until activity. Just search for until activities in the activity section and drag and drop to the canvas of pipeline, and you can connect it from wait activity to the until activity as a next execution. Okay, this is wait activity where just we need to put some time seconds till that it will wait. So if you go to my channel and watch videos one by one, you can understand what is these activities, and that will help you to learn Azure Data Factory sequentially one by one. Okay, let's go to until activity. This is the general section where we can rename our activity whatever we want, or that something like meaningful that will help to understand. Okay, now go to the another tab, that is settings. This is the expression where we want to use a variable. First let me create a variable in the pipeline. This is the pipeline, and let's select new variable, and I'm using as until flag. Okay, and the type is keeping a string, and first let me give value as false. Okay, let me tell you why we are using false. First use this variable as expression in the settings. You can just go dynamic and select this until flag as a variable. You can see first time this is just the variable type of a string we are using as variable until flag. In the next one I will show you. Let's not use bool right now, just use this default value, just clear it and use until flag. I will tell you why we are using this. Okay, this is expression where we have set on the basis of the expression it will execute. Okay, this is timeout settings where you can put some timeout, like until what time it will execute. So by default is 7 days. You can change it. This is activities where we need to use any activity on the basis of expression, it will perform execution these activities. So I am using set variable activity, and I will use that variable, that is until flag. So during the execution, this set variable activity change our variable false to true. Okay, if you go to the pipeline now, first time it will start with the false, and during the execution it will set the variable false to true. So in the next run it will not run because it will already match the condition for expression. Okay, this is set variable activity I have used. Go to the pipeline. Okay, we are good, I guess, to execute this now. Let's hit the debug button. It's running now. I guess it would fail because we are using the expression as string, not boolean, so it will not validate the condition. Go to the pipeline window and see the progress. It's for this execute line is completed, wait is also in progress. It will be waiting for 5 seconds or 10 seconds, whatever time, and the next until flag is failed. Okay, we can see the errors, why it is failed here. Okay, if you see here in the output window, you can find the error details, why it is failed. Or on the notification window, you also find the error failure reason. Okay, if you want to see, click the view details, you will find the errors. Okay, so I know why it is failed. Let's go to the activity, go to the set variable. Okay, in the setting section of until activity, go setting section of until activity, and this time we need to change. You can see here expression, for valid expression it will run only as a true or false. Okay, so it will not validating as boolean, that's why it is failed. So let me use expression as boolean. From function section you will find conversions functions from here. So use this boolean and make this until flag string to boolean, so our job will run fine. Okay, now hit the debug button. This time it should execute successfully, and first it will execute for false, and the next during the execution variable will be true, so till then it will execute. Okay, so it's still in progress. Okay, you can see one by one it's completed now. Until activity is succeeded. Hope this video have given you some idea. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.